We all know how much I love the cold. I feel like everyone knows. I couldn't have put my signage in this yard yesterday when it was 60 and there was some sunshine. No, I waited till today and I think it's 20. It might be -4. Anywhere between those is realistic. But I get to play with my little 4-pound hammer. Got my stake in the yard already. It's quite a production. I'm not gonna lie, these signs don't just put themselves up. It's not all glitz and glamour, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of leg work, upper body, 4 pounds. I'm done before the snow starts, so I'll take it.